everybody, and welcome to America. Today I'm going to do a video that a lot of people have been requesting, and that is I'm going to show you the stack I put on my 83R model Mack, affectionately known as Deputy Dog. So that was one of the most comments that I've gotten on videos that I've put up, is that my truck needs a stack, my truck needs a stack. And I really didn't want, or I wanted to, but one of the things that I hate most about especially young guys, you know, like 40 and under, I guess, they go buy like a Dodge Cummins or Ford Power Stroke or a truck like this, don't do anything to make it more mechanically stable or fix the brakes or anything like that, and they just hack the exhaust off so it's loud. I told myself that the stack was going to be, I wasn't going to do it until I had all the mechanical stuff finished, which I haven't done that yet. But that old muffler was just so ugly and cobbled together, and I needed to do something with it. And this stack was probably one of the cheapest parts I bought for this truck so far, other than the winter air for the tires. So that's where I am.
So here it is, if you can hear me over it running. You'd rather hear that than me talk, more than likely anyway. So basically it's just a 5-inch stack. I think it's 60 inches overall. I wanted to keep it short so that it'll fit in my building. I've only got a 10-foot door. And also I just kind of like the way that it looks with the stack just a little bit higher than the cab. At some point, I think I might, if I can find the right clamp, I'm going to put a bracket that connects here to the cab, where there was originally one there. But it's basically just a 4 to 5 reducer, stainless steel clamp, and a stack. And it sounds pretty sweet. So I'll put some video of me driving it with the stack on following that. So thanks for watching, guys. Hoping to get some more work done on this truck now that the weather's getting cold, work's a little slower. So please stay tuned. Until next time, stay American.